Hi guys, how are you? I'm just gonna unbox this product that I got. As you see over here, it's a direct thermal photo control, so super easy. It comes with the instructions right here on how to use it. Super important that you guys follow all the steps. Okay, and it comes with two, really small and really easy to use. This is a 2-pack dusk-to-dawn day-night sensor photoelectric switch. This photocell sensor switch will automatically turn on lights at dusk and off at dawn. No need for manual operation anymore. It handles in 120 volts and compatible with LED, CFL, fluorescent, incandescent, and other type of bulbs. As you can see, it rotates 180 degrees. So like this, and like this. So you can use this photoelectric switch sensor in most various occasions, such as outdoor lighting, exterior lighting, street lighting, passage lighting, and doorway. This outdoor light controller can be easily installed in a precise spot, focusing light. You just have to disconnect the power, place the screw thread of the switch in the knockout hole, and then fasten with a rubber gasket and zinc alloy lock nut. So guys, if you're looking for a thermal photo control like those ones, I highly recommend it.